Just received this KIMO leaf blower, little handheld unit, 20-volt lithium battery. Super lightweight, not hard on the wrist or anything. Got a side attachment for a bag where you can use this as a vacuum as well. Got good power to it. See if I can find a little dust around here. Let's go down here. Pretty powerful. I say to get the job done. I got this for my camper, so blowing leaves, cleaning the rug. It's going to come in really nice, save a lot of space. Really like this. Might end up getting a second one. Highly recommend.